So for today's lesson, we are exploring ionic bonding. As you know, there are many types of chemical bonding, so today will be on ionic bonding. So you may ask the question, what is ionic bond? So ionic bond form when there's matter and no matter reacting. So the matter atoms will become positively charged ions because they will lose electrons. It's this whole story about if you go back to the periodic table, towards the left of the periodic table, you'll find matter atoms, and they usually have a very small number of electrons in the outermost shell, which means they want to lose electrons. No matters want to gain electrons in order for them to be stable. There's something along the line about fulfilling the octet rule. So when you have metal ion, no metal ions coming together, it forms an electrostatic attraction because of the opposite charge. So coming back to this here, if you go into lithium, for example, lithium itself is in group 1. It has one valence electron or one electron in the outermost shell, which means you want to get rid of that one electron. It becomes 1 plus, or positively charged. Fluorine is in group 17. It has 7 valence electron or 7 electron in the outermost shell. It wants to get one more for it to become stable. So lithium will become Li plus, fluorine will become F minus. Together, they form the ionic bonding. So this is an example when you have sodium chloride. So sodium is in group 1, chlorine in this case is in group 17. So sodium wants to lose one electron, chlorine wants to gain one electron. So when you're talking about ionic bonds, you must always have metal ion and then a non-metal ion coming together. Another example would be lithium oxide. So in this case, lithium is in group 1, but oxygen is in group 16, which means oxygen has 6 electrons in the outermost shell. Oxygen needs 2 more for it to become stable. So you need 2 lithium atoms to become 2 lithium ion. You need 1 oxygen ion in this case. So you have Li2O, 2 lithium ions and 1 oxygen ion. Together it forms lithium oxide.